sure. Which one?
The blue one with the Volcom sign?
Okay.
Thanks. Dude.
Did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh.
Hey!
Sakit. Terima agak bebek. Alat ting.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I forgot which sweatshirt you said.
The light blue one in the closet.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Really?
What, did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Hey, what do you want?
Just the APs is
Just
fine.
okay. Grab.
Sandwich stuff? Just like mayonnaise, bread, turkey, cheese. That's honestly a lot, and some chips, maybe.
Okay, that's all?
That's it? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It might take me a while because it's Costco. But...
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thanks.
Ça va?
You did it, you little bastard. I can't believe you've done that.
It just slipped out.
Alright, my friend.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Let's watch this video.
God have mercy upon us.
My leg.
Jesus.
No, feel it right here.
Said like I've got this like thing called dog jaw. Do you see how it's like really sore there? Do you see that? It's called.
Oh, God!
Look at me. Come on, baby. Come on. No, stop. Don't attack me. I love you. I smell success. Wait.
Skibidi toilet! Skibidi toilet!
Reverse. Please stop. No. Keep going. No. Hello, Shaggy. Oh my God.
Buck. I'm not like other girls, I'm part of the boys.
Brethren. Boy. Bruh. Brother?
What are you doing, senpai?
Do you like to cosplay? Because I love to cosplay.
Nice.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Googling it and it says something like dog jaw.
You know the thing called like dog jaw?
Do you feel it?
Not really, both sides. Both sides.
Oh, feel it.
Kasongo yeye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala Oh yeye Kasongo mbona wewe Mbona wewe Mombali nanga Jesus
Let's watch this video. God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us. Let's watch this video. God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us.
Christy, are those tongs? Why are you speaking shit?
Hiding food in the couch from my boyfriend.
What are you doing?
Huh? Just looking for a blanket.
What are you eating? Let me see.
Nothing.
Let me see.
Nothing. I just needed a blanket. I needed a blanket.
Christy, what are you doing?
Why are you drinking?
It's nothing.
What is that? You have Chinese food?
What's the problem? What happened?
thought I made it.
Peligro caiu.
Let's watch this video. Ọbẹ̀ tó gbúdọ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ àgbà kò ní akíní mo ṣe fẹ́ náà. Àti màá gbé rẹ́pì ìyàwó rẹ̀ ni. Ìrẹ́pì ìyàwó rẹ̀ àwọn fẹ́ pa mí. Ọkọ àwọn tó jókòó náà. Má pa wọn. Yọ̀ǹda lọ́nà. Mẹ́yìnbọn. God.